So if you want to charge your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, you'll need your standard 45 watt Samsung charger and USB-C to USB-C cable, or USB-C to USB cable, right? So connect one end to the cable to the phone, to the bottom of your device, right here to the charging port, and the second one to the charging power outlet. As you see, as you insert it, your phone starts charging, and it's a great sign. It means that we got what we aimed for. So now some facts about battery life and charging. So battery capacity of your Samsung Galaxy 56 is 5000 micro ampere. For video playback, this battery lasts up to 29 hours, and for music playback only, it lasts up to 88 hours. Estimated charging time with a 45 watt adapter is gonna be 68 minutes, and 30 minutes of charging brings up to 65%. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.